All right, let's talk about a term you've probably heard a million times. Big data. It's everywhere, right? In the news, at work, but what is it really? We're going to do a quick explainer using some great material from InfoMax Academy to finally get a handle on this whole thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you have. It's one of those huge buzzwords that you just can't escape. But when people say big data, what are they actually talking about? Is it just, a ton of information? Well, yes and no. It's a bit more complicated than that. Let's get a good, solid definition.
Okay, so here's the official breakdown. The key thing here isn't just about having the data, it's the whole process. You have to collect these massive data sets, get them organized, and then, and this is the most important part, you analyze them to find all the hidden patterns and useful little tidbits. It's all about turning a whole lot of noise into a clear, usable signal.
So that's the textbook definition. But where does this stuff actually show up in your life? I mean, in the real world. It's way closer than you might think. In fact, you're probably interacting with big data systems all day, every day. Let's look at a few common examples.
Just think about your average day. You check the weather app on your phone to see if it's going to rain, right? Well, that prediction is fueled by a constant stream of data points. Or what about that fitness tracker on your wrist? It's generating health data all the time. Your GPS that helps you dodge traffic? Yep, that's using real-time location data from tons of users. It's absolutely everywhere.
So to really get what separates big data from just, a lot of data, there's a really simple framework experts use called the 4 V's. You can think of it like a checklist. If a pile of data checks these 4 boxes, then congratulations, you're officially dealing with big data. So what are they? All right, here they are. First up is volume. And that's the obvious one, right? We're talking about an enormous scale of data. Then you've got variety. This means the data isn't all neat and tidy. It comes in all kinds of formats, from numbers in a spreadsheet to photos, videos, and social media posts. Next is velocity, which is all about the incredible speed that this data is being created and needs to be processed. And finally, there's variability. This just means the data isn't always consistent and can change its meaning over time. Those 4 things together, that's the essence of big data.
And this, honestly, is the most important takeaway. Just collecting mountains and mountains of information is, well, it's pretty useless on its own. The entire point, the real magic of big data analytics, is to dig through all that chaos to find the golden nuggets, those patterns that help us make smarter decisions and discover new things. The value isn't in having the data, it's in what you do with it.
So, there you have it. You've got the definition, you've seen some real-world examples, and you know the core characteristics. So I'll just leave you with this question. Now that you know what to look for, where else do you see big data at work? Think about it. Your shopping recommendations, the shows a streaming service suggests for you, even how your city might manage its public transport. The patterns are everywhere once you start